Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sci Guru. In this video I'll try to do the PUBG Mobile 1.6 Korean APK 90 FPS support test in the Realme X1 Max device. Yes friends, finally I did install the Korean APK which is 1.6.0 version. Let me show you exactly. So is the 1.6.0. Let's see whether we can actually play the 90 FPS gameplay in the Realme X1 Max by using the Korean APK. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. The main reason why I'm really interested to see because we do know after the recent update which is 8.18 update in the Realme X1 Max, the 90 FPS has been capped up to 70 FPS only. So you may not be able to play the Battlegrounds mobile game and PUBG mobile above 70 FPS, but you can actually, let's see whether we can actually do it in the Korean APK or not. As you can see friends, in the Korean APK it's working perfectly. So as much as close to 90 FPS, whenever you touch the screen it will definitely increase. There is no cap for the FPS at this moment. As you can see clearly 90 FPS we are getting absolutely fine. Let me show you the settings as well, what kind of settings I'm trying to use. You can see 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max. So you don't require any kind of brightness trick, you don't require any kind of set edit application, so directly it was able to play at 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max. That's kind of really one good thing to know. So maybe in the future they may be able to fix it friends. The Realme people, they should fix this kind of issues, because the Korean APK doesn't have any kind of issues, but the global APK and the Battlegrounds mobile game, they're having the issues. It's kind of very sad part to know, but meanwhile if you want to follow other mobile phones how they are behaving in terms of the 1.6 update, try to check the playlist which are created for the PUBG 1.6 version. These videos will be really helpful to know how the other phones and which processors got the latest update regarding the 90 FPS. I'll definitely cover those videos as soon as possible for you all. So right now you'll be able to see it. Definitely to do some kind of running and show you the exact FPS how much I'm getting at this moment. I need to touch the screen always, because if I don't touch the screen, the touch sampling rate and refresh rate will decrease to 60 Hz. So even the FPS also will decrease. Right now we are getting exactly 90 FPS absolutely working without any kind of problem in the Realme X1 Max if you use the Korean APK only. Yes, only Korean APK it's possible. So that's it friends, thank you for watching, and let me do some kind of gameplay and then I'll to end up this video after doing some gameplay. That's it, not much. I won't take much of your time. Right now we'll be able to see the FPS working, as you can see clearly. So in case if you have any other questions or any other doubts, and one more thing, the 4D haptic feedback vibration is not working at all. I forgot to mention, totally sorry for that. 4D vibration is not working in the Korean APK. So at least I got that kind of confirmation, because I thought the Korean APK was able to work with the 4D vibrations, but it's not working. Right now the FPS is decreasing up to 77 as well when I'm trying to do the drop test. So that's another thing. So the only thing is that we don't have any kind of floating FPS meter in this moment in this phone. That's another disadvantage. If there is any kind of floating FPS meter in the Realme X1 Max, that would be really great, but that's not the case at this point. So thank you for watching this video friends. It's a small and short video which I thought of keeping very small, not prolongating very long video. So see you in the next video and let's take up more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and definitely I'll try my best to find any kind of solution or any kind of trick to play at 90 FPS in the Battlegrounds mobile game. That is what I'm looking after in this Realme X1 Max device. Meanwhile, just keep on following my channel and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.